Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Shah, and today we're going to give you an update on Drake Ball, the knockoff Dragon Ball Z NFT card game. You play to earn, and we've made two NFTs, and it cost us 19.91 D-Ball to create each one. And as you can see, each D-Ball is at $23.15. It came out just 3 days ago. It hasn't even been a full week. And you can see we were at $12.80. So we have essentially gone all the way and doubled in price in just 3 days. This token only has 1 million supply, and it's built on the Binance Smart Chain. But I just wanted to show you guys how much D-Ball we can make. You can have a total of 12 stamina per character. So every 3 hours, you gain 1 stamina, and to fight, you use 3. So let's go ahead and use these two characters. I got the same character for both my capsules, which is kind of like minting in this arena, but you need an NFT to start fighting. All right, so let's go with the 90%. This is the small fee we pay. All right, guys, let's see how many we win. We have a total of 4 fights because we're at 8 stamina, and it takes up 3 stamina each fight. We just won 0.69 D-Ball, so now we're at 6 D-Ball. Very cool. Let's go with the same guy. Let's fight with him again. We're going to take on Cell. Vegeta is about to hopefully Gallic Gun Cell and get us some more points. Come on, let's get some more D-Ball. Let's get some more D-Ball. Let's see. Let's go. We won again. Awesome. So we got to wait for this guy to get some more stamina. At the end of the night, in a few hours, we'll be able to play maybe another round or 2. So every 12 hours, throughout the day, you have 8 fights, and you make essentially 12 to 15 bucks each fight. So it's a lot of passive income, believe it or not. We're going to take on this green alien, which is clearly Piccolo. It's a card game NFT knockoff, which, well, I love it. I love it. We are at level 7 with this soldier and level 2 with this soldier. And we've gone from 5 D-Ball all the way to 7.3. So we've made more than $50 in the last few minutes. So it is real. And since it's early, the rewards are a little bit better than if we're to talk about this maybe a month or 2 months from now. We got one more fight. Come on. Come on. Let's get this last one. See if we can get to 8 D-Ball. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's see. Yeah, we won, guys. Amazing. So now we have 8 D-Ball. And this is an update video for those of you that have been watching. But super cool project. You can see the utility and the play to earn strategy here. The lower chance to win, the higher the rewards, and the rarity does matter. The rarity, I was told, you can gain even more rewards for fighting. And if you guys go to the website, you guys will see that they have their white paper, and you'll see that their white paper is legit. It's a play to earn NFT card game. This is their vision. Take control of digital assets, play and earn. Mission to create a profitable experience for gamers. Tokenomics, they had a private sale, published sale, development, gameplay incentives, liquidity, airdrop, liquidity farming, airdrop. Capsuling characters is like minting their characters. Each character starts at level 1 and comes with a random star rarity. So we got the 2. They say CDC stands for crypto Drake Ball. I've also seen it be DBC. I guess people are just making that connection with Dragon Ball Z. But this is very cool. And you can see this is for people who don't know. 1 turn fight cooldown is 3 hours, and 1 character can charge fully at 8 turns fight/stay. So that means each character can fight 8 times. So let's see what the percentage rewards are. So if we get a calculator right here, we get a calculator right here, and we do $25, which is pretty much the cost of the D-ball now, times 0.7, we're getting $17.5. That's at an optimistic rate, and that's great. So if we're fighting 8 times and we win all 8 of them, that's $140 times 2 NFT characters. That's $280 a day. But let's just say D-ball's at $20 and we're only getting 0.6. So now we're making $12 a match times 8. So we're making $96 if we win every match, times 2. Since we have 2 characters, we're making $200 passive income. Guys, that is a 6-figure salary right there. Making $200 a day is a 6-figure salary. So if you found this information valuable, smash that like button. We really appreciate it here. This is definitely one of the coolest games. And I want to keep buying more characters and keep gaining this passive income as long as the rewards are this high. And you can see they have the 80, the 70, the 60, the 20. It's really the 90 right now. So I hope they don't change it to 80 because I love the 90% win rate. And yeah, it's absolutely nostalgic for me. When I see this, I see Krillin, Goten, Vegeta, Frieza, Piccolo, Majin Buu. That's what it's about. And the marketplace is coming soon. They have a roadmap. I don't see anything of anyone being doxxed, but they do have all their social handles here, Telegram, if you want to learn more, and even their Discord. So guys, I just want to say thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time, except your money. If you've been in the space and you've been making money off NFTs, DeFi, and games, smash that like button. And as always, thanks for sharing your time with me here today.